G'day guys, welcome to Valley Ford. My name's Ben. Love to welcome you on a walk around video on our 2020 20.25 Xlt Ranger. This one here has been optioned up and is ready for work, pleasure, whatever you want to use it for. So this one here is a standard XLT, does have the leather pack and it does have the updated sync system. So just in here you get the new headlights, which are upgraded throughout, protector headlights. You do get LED daytime running lights as well. This one's got the fog lights, parking sensors integrated, and it does have brand new Ironman deluxe bar. You do get the winch, as you can see, with the cable, and you do have the bash plate underneath. Spotty's up the front here, and as I said, this one is all color coded to match into the car. You got the bonnet protector as well. This car is like new. Coming down to the side, plenty of tread on the tyres, unmarked alloy wheels. This one's a 3.2 6-speed automatic. As you can see down to the side, it's really well positioned. You get colour coded, not colour coded, you get chrome mirror covers, chrome decal saying 3.2, indicator built into the side, and you do get keyless entry and keyless lock. With the XLT, you get the chrome door handles. This one's got weather shields fitted, which go over all 4 doors. Coming inside with the leather upgrade, you get full leather through the side, so really touch free. It's really light. Plenty of space for the door pockets. Soft touch dash with storage of above. Down through here, you've got the rubber mats as well, which are tailor-made to fit in these cars, so they fit in really well. As you can see, premium finish to the leather trim, which is unmarked and like new, but with also you get the leather, you get a leather center console, so instead of being hard plastic, it's really nice and soft to touch. Coming back through around the car, you get full leather through the back here. This is for the winch controllers in the glove box inside. You've got the red stitching inside as well, so you can see you've got your center armrest as well, and you do get a premium finish to the side here. Down through the back, you've got a soft tonneau fitted to this one. Roll bar with lights underneath it as well. You got high flow diesel fill on this. Tow bar, which has never been used. And you do get the fantastic tailgate, which has got plenty of user-friendly items. So you got a big grill logo here with the reverse camera underneath. You get XLT badging through the back here. Through the tub here, you get a power socket in the back, which is up the top there. 4 tie down points as well, but it's easy lift tailgate, so you can just lift it with one finger. Really easy to lift and shut. So huge tail lights to the side here. As you can see, lead suspension in the back, plenty of tread on these tyres. You can put bigger tyres, rims and so forth onto these as well. So coming back into the front of the car, as you can see, that side rail is really solid, easy to get in and out. This one's a second month 20 compliant car. And as you can see, a little bit of wear on the driver's leather, but bugger all. And the rubber mats on the front actually lock into place, so they don't move around. Jumping inside, you got the snorkel up there as well, so it does have a snorkel fitted. You got your switch down here for the spotties on the front. Pretty easy to start. You've got your key, just press the button to start her up. This one does have a tech pack, so a tech pack gives you adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, which is set up just on the side. So lane keep assist is here, so it will keep you in your lane, and adaptive cruise will adjust the car in front of you. You do get traffic sign notification, so it will come up in here, tells you the traffic signs. There's a heap of functions through here which you can adjust, and you've got your tire monitoring, alarm, tacho you can put up, so if you're towing you can just have your tacho. So really easy to use through there. We probably need to put some fuel in it. You've got your nav comes up on this off this display, and you've got your entertainment. Down further below, you've got your Bluetooth, voice control, and volume. This is Apple CarPlay, so really easy to use. This is the new system, so current in all new ranges. So you can press a button and bring up the main screen, which give you your nav, connect the phone, has all the apps through there as well, so you can have different apps come up. Your satellite navigation, your phone, climate, and your audio. There is a settings through here, so you can change all the settings through the car as well, which is really easy. So you can have Wi-Fi set up through it, and really easy. And it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Audio. You get a reverse camera as well, which you can zoom in on the tongue, so when you're backing up to your trailer, it's really easy to use. Coming down through the side here, you got your climate control, USB point, another USB point, 12-volt power socket. You've got your parking sensors you can turn off. The car will parallel park itself, so you can press that button there, it will parallel park itself. You got your traction control, the diff lockers, sorry, and you got hill descent. 4-wheel drive button through here, so really easy to use. And it is a Tiptronic automatic. So this one here runs a 6-speed. You got bi-turbo, which runs a 10-speed. This one's really easy, and it's one thing I like about the 6-speed is when you pop it down into drive, you can actually put it across and use it to down gear and up gear. So if you're doing a lot of towing, that's a really handy feature to have. Really soft touch console lid through here, same through here. And this is part of the update on the 20.25. You get 2 compartments. And you do get a air vent through the side here, so you can keep some, I'm not going to say stubbies on the thing. You can keep some drinks in there nice and cool. So there are heaps of features through these. This one here is awesome option up. And the thing is, it's still going to be the same price, really buying a new XLT, but with all the gear on it. So feel free to give us a call on 5173 3888. That's 5173 3888. My name's Ben. Thanks for viewing our Ford Ranger at Valley Ford.